Hi and welcome. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at how to create a solar system using Scratch. So first thing I'm going to do is to find Scratch, and usually it's the first thing that comes up. I've already logged in, there we go. So I'm going to create a new Scratch project, and this is where I'm going to start. So I'm going to do a solar system, so I don't need the cat. I can get rid of him, and instead of the cat I'm going to choose the sun. There it is, and I'll put it in the middle, and I don't want it quite that size. I might make it about 50%. I might need to change it depending upon the other planets, but 50% looks alright. So I want it at 0, 0, so very quickly I can make it 0 on the X and 0 on the Y, and I know it's in the center of the screen. Now next I need to add the other planets in, and as you could have seen, there is a planet for Earth here, but I don't want to use that one. I've got some others that I want to use which I've downloaded, which I will show you. So I'll click on back, and I'm going to upload a sprite. Now I'm not going to start with Earth. As you can see, I have a whole bunch of sprites here, including Urquhart, which is a new planet that must have replaced Pluto. Well, I'm going to start with Mercury. The reason why I've chosen these ones is because when I open it, you'll see there's Mercury, but it has no border around it, and that's sort of what I like. Now the size of this, I want it to be about 4% of its normal size. Now in reality Mercury would be much smaller than that, but we'll start with 4%. And I'm going to add another planet in, so I might just add the first 3. So I'll also add Venus, and I'll make it about 4%, which means I probably should make Mercury a little bit smaller. So make it 3. And Venus is there. I'll put it just outside of Mercury, and I'll put in Earth. So I'm going to add in my third sprite, which is going to be Earth. So open that, and here it is, and again I'll make that about 4%, and let's leave it just there for now. Now where did I get these? Well, I got the sprites from 9planets.org. I just right clicked on the picture of the planet and I chose save image as, and that's where it's saved. I'm not sure about the copyright of this site, but I'd suggest you would probably get the students to draw their own pictures of the planets anyway, just because it would be more fun to do. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to get them to go around in an orbit around the sun. So I'm going to start with Mercury, and I want the event to be when I click the green flag. I want Mercury to move a certain distance and turn a certain number of degrees. What's that going to be? Well, if I click the flag, it's going to just do it one time, which is not much use, right? So I want it to be in a forever loop so that it continues forever. So under control there is this forever loop part of repetition, which the students would need to be somewhat aware of. With Mercury, I'm going to start it with, instead of 10 steps, let's make it 1 step, and let's make it 1 degree. This is just as a test. When I click that, I can see that Mercury is going around. Goes out a little bit too far. Remember that I do need to add another 5 or 6 planets in here. I'd say that its orbit at the moment is too big, so I'll just make it move 0.7 steps and turn 1 degree. Let's see if that makes a difference. Okay, I can see that it's hugging in closer to the sun now, so I'm pretty happy with how that looks. I'll stop that. That's terrific. In the next video I'll take you through getting Venus and Earth to orbit the sun as well, and show you a couple of tricks to make the orbits align properly. So talk to you then.